The pound Aussie is also again following the same motto. It is more Australian weakness than it is pound strength, but again you can see it came above the structure point. You can see the momentum that it came in out of the London session on Friday, right above the structure point. That is a pretty nice setup sitting at the structure, and this is what I was just explaining to you in the previous in the pound New Zealand. And actually this is a pretty good example. It went up to bump against the structure point, which is the 159.56.34 3-4 times, and then it has been repelled to the downside, but there has been no capitulation. I mean, look, every time there has been no capitulation to the downside. So yes, it is a significant point. Yes, it is giving us resistance, but they haven't been able to sell it off. So right there, the next time it gets above this right there, then this becomes a big buy signal, and that is the consolidation that you have that should propel the move to the upside, and that is your follow through. And if you have your strategy, if you put your auto strategy on it, that probably would have been giving you the buy signal right there. You would have had a little bit of noise here, but the buy signal would be right over here. I put the and I'm saying this because of the guys that are with me in the room when we're doing the mentoring session. This is when I take a break. But if you have the, and look at this, this is actually better than what I have just been saying. Look at this. This is really magnificent. Wow. $156.11, 156.60. That's 55 pips on that trade. That's a no-brainer trade. That's nice. Anyway, so, and when you see it technically, it looks good. I mean, I wasn't even aware that it would have taken this good trade. So anyway, having said that, we are here now where we are. We're looking for a continuation to the upside. So the high of the day is the 157.20. It is the 20 level. So we will buy the pound Aussie above the 157.20. That is going to be our long point. And I don't know what the structure point is. The structure long point is, I'm going to take this one here, which is the 158.82. So we would have two structure points pretty much close to each other, and these are good. This means that the pound is going to pretty much stop right over there. So the structure long point is the 158. This means that this is a good magnet. When I say it's going to stop there, this means it's going to go there before it stops there. In order for it to stop, it has to go. So this is a pretty strong magnet because you have a double whammy of stops sitting here. So it should be going up to the 158.82. I'm going to put the lower one. And our stop in this case is going to be right here below the 157.95. $156.95, and on the short side we're going to go short below the 156.86. Well, actually that's the short from last week. That is the short from last week, 156.85. and the structure short point is the 156.34, so this remains the same. So everything from last week is actually pretty much the same. So I'm not gonna, so the sell signals from last week are all the same. So we're going to buy it above 157.20. We have a structure point at 158.82, and our stop is going to be 156.95. We're going to go short below 156.85, and our structure short point is the 156.34, and our stop is going to be the 157.20. Okay, that is the pound Aussie. So let's do that, and the one that's left is going to be the pound yen.